Hi there, my name is Maria. Welcome to this channel. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Today's story is about a little boy named David. Know David by David Shannon. David's mom always said, "No, David." David is drawing not on a paper, but on the wall. Mom's going to have a hard time cleaning the wall, David. No, David. Oh, I can see sugar, flour, a tea set. Oh, and look, cookies on top. David loves cookies, and David is reaching out for them. But look at the chair. You might fall, David. It's dangerous. So you better ask for help. No, David, no! Now look at David. David has mud all over his body. Oh, and there are footsteps with mud. Now who's going to clean that up, David? Is it you or is it Mom? Oh no. You're going to give Mom a hard time again, David. No, no, no! David is taking a bath, and he's playing with some toys. I can see a shark, a rubber ducky, oh, a colorful lifesaver, and a red and green octopus right there on the floor. But look at all that water coming down from the tub. And who's going to clean that up, David? Come back here, David. You're not supposed to go outside and run without clothes. Come back home, David. Put some clothes this instant. David, be quiet. Don't play with the metal spoon and the pots. They are not drums, David. It's too loud and noisy. It's annoying, David, and the neighbors might get irritated. Don't play with your food, David. Where's your manners? Now I can see a potato head right there, and beans as the arms and 2 drumsticks. Oh, David, that's a delicious food cooked by your mom. You should eat them, not play with them. You better stop it right now, David. That's enough, David. Don't put all that food on your mouth. It's not polite, David. But at least David eats healthy food, because I can see there's some vegetables like carrots, broccoli, beans. Oh, and there's chicken. But David, you better stop that. It's not good manners, okay? Go to your room. David loves watching superhero movies. Uh-oh, but look at the time, David. It's time for bed. Do not stay up too late because it's bad for your health. Settle down, David. Please stop jumping on the bed. You better sleep now, David, because you have school tomorrow. You might not be able to wake up in the morning. Come on, David. Uh-oh, stop that this instant. David is picking nose. Eee. You should use some tissue, David, and don't forget to wash your hands. Put your toys away. David's room is so messy. He doesn't know how to tidy his room. And look at all the toys. I can see a robot, a teddy bear. Oh, a baseball bat, football, some checkers, a toy car, a dinosaur. Oh, and even my favorite toys, Legos. But David, you should learn how to tidy your room. And do not watch too close to the TV, David. It's bad for the eyes. Come on, David. You better stand up and put your toys in a box. Not in the house, David. Come on. I can see a lot of breakable things there, David. Like the clock, the vase, the figurines. Come on, David. Stop this instant or you might break them. I said no, David. Look at what you've done. I just told you, you might break the vase. And now, look at what happened. Oh, David. Davy, come here. I guess somebody just realized what he has done. Well, I hope David becomes a good boy now. Come on, David. Everything will be all right. Please behave. Yes, David, I love you. I always do. The end. Now, for more stories like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.